Hey, this is Attorney Montgomery. And if you haven't followed me or haven't seen any of my videos, then I practice family law and immigration in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is another update to the ongoing saga between Jeanie and Jeezy. Very sad situation. My hope is that they can amicably settle this divorce and begin to heal and move on. As you may have read, Jeezy filed a motion to vacate a mediated order from the month of March. In that, he made allegations that Jeanie was keeping him away from his child and a host of other things. In response to that motion to vacate, Jeannie's counsel has fired off a response. And in that response, they have outlined allegations of not only verbal abuse, but also physical abuse that Jeanie endured at the hands of Jeezy. There are 3 specific incidences that occurred in 2022. So it appears that there has been issues in this marriage for quite some time. The parties were not married for very long, but it appears that it was very tumultuous and unfortunately very toxic. So the allegations are that there has been choking, withholding and not allowing her to get out of a vehicle, punching her in the cheek with a closed fist that caused hemorrhaging, pushing her down stairs. And in addition to these allegations, there is an incident report from 2022. There are witness statements indicating that they witnessed some of this abuse. Jeezy has come out stating that he absolutely, categorically denies the allegations. They are untrue, they are disturbing, and that he is heartbroken that someone that he loved would make such allegations. Jeezy also states that he wants this to be resolved in a court of law so that the truth may come out, and that he is a man of integrity and that this absolutely did not occur and that we know him. Jeezy, unfortunately, we don't know you, sir. We haven't been in a relationship with you. We weren't married to you, and we weren't the witnesses that indicate that they witnessed and saw you abusing Jeanie. Now, these are the allegations. The parties have upcoming hearings, and so we'll be following up to see what happens next in this very, very sad saga. However, the allegations are true. Jeezy, this is unfortunate for you. And just to be clear, you are the one who filed for divorce. So I'll be updating you guys as we get more insight. But these allegations are very disturbing, especially if they are indeed true. Now, let's talk about that. If they are indeed true, the next question becomes, how does that interfere with his custody and visitation rights? As we know, and as most attorneys know, that allegations such as this do not impede a father's rights to having custody rights and visitation rights with his child. The way that it would interfere with that is if Jeanie indicates allegations of abuse on the child, or that the child witnessed the abuse, because that is a type of child abuse, and he could be criminally charged. However, the allegations don't seem to indicate that the child was present, or that the child was aware, or that there has been any abuse on the child. So, with that being said, Jeezy should still be allowed to have a relationship with his child, have custody rights to his child, and also have visitation. And Jeezy's number one gripe is that Jeannie Mai has kept him away from his child. So, we'll be waiting to see what the courts say, but the law is that unless he's mistreating and abusing the child, he should have rights and visitation, and those should not be interfered with by the other parent. If Jeannie Mai is concerned about her safety, then she should have a go-between when they are exchanging the child, so they don't have to be in each other's presence. In addition to that, they can use an app that the courts use quite frequently here in Georgia to communicate, meaning there should be no communications outside of that app, and the app is only to be used for discussions about the child, the well-being, custody, visitation, and so forth. So, with that being said, Jeezy is probably still going to be able to have custody and visitation of his child, but this definitely hurts his credibility and how he is viewed and perceived publicly. So, Jeezy, good luck with that. Domestic violence is never cool if it's true. We wish both parties the best, and hopefully they will heal. Until next time.